Hey guys, today I will show you how you can add this beautiful blur effect to your Windows 10 or 11 PC. So let's get started. Okay, to set up this blur effect, just head over to the description of the video and download this RAR file and extract it. Okay, now open this release x64 folder. Again release x64 folder. Now open this release folder. Now here you will get some files. Now to install the blur effect, just double click on this register file and click on yes and OK. After that your system UI will restart and the blur effect will add it. Let's check. Now you can see that our blur effect is working perfectly. So guys, if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.